CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5, Compare and Contrast Storage Types. Cloud Storage. The last storage category we will discuss is cloud storage. Cloud storage refers to the practice of storing and managing data on remote servers accessed over the internet. It involves using the infrastructure of a cloud service provider. In an earlier video, we discussed some of the largest cloud service providers: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. Now let's narrow it down and talk specifically about cloud storage services. A cloud storage service provides a cloud-based file storage and synchronization service developed to allow users to store, access, and share files and folders across various devices, such as computers, smartphones, and tablets. Take a peek at the icons behind me. Recognize any? These 4 services are some of the largest cloud storage services on the market. From left to right, we have Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.